the city of lakes. But did you know that this city has more than 35 different lakes? Was the first railway station to have started the passenger train all over Asia.
Is a place which has a church built in the 15th century
And the oldest temple over here, having the biggest shivling all over Maharashtra. So welcome to Thane as we tour you around the whole place and take you to different places and why you should choose to live in Thane.
Thane City. A city located outside Mumbai is a part of the Thane district. It is one of the fast-paced growing cities of Maharashtra. So what makes Thane so unique? And ऐसा क्या है जो थाने को एक आइडियल चॉइस बनाता है? इस एपिसोड में मैं आज आपको थाने के हर वो जगह दिखाऊंगी and will give you a virtual tour of this beautiful city.
Okay, so currently I am at the station area here in Thane. This is like one of the busiest places here in Thane, and here there is bus connectivity from all over Maharashtra, and also the train facility is pretty nice. So here many people use the train on daily basis, and also outstation trains also begin from this location itself. This train is a new addition here near Thane station. So that is the station that you see behind me, that's platform number 1, and this is the newer addition. It was placed on 31st of April, that is what is written on the board behind me. So this is the train. This was built in the year 1928, and did you know that Thane was the first station from where the first passenger train had begun? Like it was from Bombay to Thane, and it covered a total distance of around 34 kilometers. So the roads in Thane are pretty nice. Even the interior roads which are in Thane are so nice, and बहुत बड़े-बड़े roads भी है.
The construction of the metro in Thane is in full swing. As of now, the metro will connect Thane to Mumbai, Thane to Bhiwandi Kalyan, Thane to Wadala. So once the metro will be built, travelling would be even more smooth.
And also Thane has great connectivity to all the parts around it. Like you can go to Mumbai, you can go Ahmedabad from there, you can go Lonavala, you can go Nasik. Located at the center, and diversion to all these cities, that is travelling to all the cities is so easy. And again, the roads are super nice, so it isn't hassle to drive around Thane. There are no taxis here in Thane, and the local transport is via the auto rickshaw, which is quite convenient, and to go through the small little lanes. And also the minimum fare over here is rupees 21. It has increased from the past lockdown. So currently I am at Hirandani Estate, which is a largest township here in Thane by Hirandani Group, and there are huge buildings all over here, and the area to live over here is also very nice. There are also buildings which are luxury like 4-5 BHK, and there's also economic buildings to suit everyone's need. There's even a mall over here, there's shopping centers, there's a school, there's a playground, there's a garden for walking, jogging tracks, everything that you need in a society, in a residential area, everything is over here. And this is one of the finest places to live here in Thane if you want to experience the posh life.
There are many big residential projects in Thane from well-known builders including Lodha, Godrej, Rustomjee, Runwal, Cosmos, Vijay Group, Dosti and much more. With great construction and awesome views, Thane will give you all the luxurious living for sure.
I am at Talavpali. Here we are going to do boating, which is 25 rupees for the speedboat. There's also pedal boat and other types of boat as well. That is the lake, and the lake is very clean and very well maintained. And this boating is over here since a very long time. I remember as a kid coming here, and now it's been so many years that I am here again. That we're gonna go on Talavpali. It's a very nice boat, and they've decorated it nice with flowers and all, which makes it look so nice. And currently बहुत धूप है, but we're gonna do it anyway, and let's see how this experience is. वगैरह भी होगा and it will be a great sight as well. We are taking the horse ride, which is very popular here in Taraupalli area, and this costs us ₹130, which will take you around the whole Taraupalli area. Got done with our horse ride, and this horse over here is called Masoom, and he's really so masoom and very nice, and it was a wonderful experience. Okay, so currently I am at the St. John Baptist Church, and currently it is closed, but it was built by the Portuguese also. So it's one of the oldest in here in Thane, and it's exactly opposite to Talaupalli. And besides this church is a school as well, which is St. John's School. You can see the architecture, which is inspired by the Portuguese architecture. Also, fun fact, Thane was ruled by the Portuguese for over 200 years, which is insane. And they also built the Thane Fort, which was then captured by Chimaji Appa, that is by the Marathas. And then later, the Britishers, when they started ruling India, they converted the Thane Fort into a jail, which is currently a jail now as well. So that was a little history of Thane city. Mandir here in Thane, and this is located in the Jamli Naka area. This is considered to be one of the oldest temple here in Thane. This was built around the 17th century, so it's very old, and also considered to be the largest Shivling here in Maharashtra, all over Maharashtra. The Shivling inside is around 5 feet in height and 5 feet in breadth, so it's very huge, but sadly due to the current scenario, it is currently closed, but it's like a very beautiful, very ancient temple that you must visit here in Thane.
Shopping in Thane is huge. There's a store to suffice everyone's need, from clothing stores, furniture, pet stores, hardware, and even car showrooms, all of the top brands. Let's check out the malls. There are two major malls in Thane, Viviana and Koram. Along with that, there are other small malls as well. These malls have all the big brands that you need and all the items under one roof, and even movie theaters and popular restaurants and food courts. Along with shopping malls, Thane has many individual stores as well, having fantastic collection. Popular places to shop in Thane are Naupada Road, Ram Maruti, Jamli Naka, to name a few.
I am at Naupada Road in Thane. This is a primary area where a lot of shopping you can do. There are many stores that offer good ethnic wear. Along with normal shops, there are street style shops as well. And you can buy a lot of these cosmetics and dresses and ethnic wear, Indian wear, and all those things as well. Okay, so currently I'm at the Nagrik store here in Thane, and this store is 50 years old and one of the oldest shops in Thane, and they have saris, they have garments and dress materials and all those different things as well. And this is the store that you see behind me. It's huge, it's like a 3-floor store, and they also have a store that is opposite to that. So this is one of the very famous shops here in Thane where you can buy ethnic wear.
Buenas caras. Pacas kapat.
Okay, so I am at currently the Jamli Naka wholesale market. As you can hear, this is the vegetable market, and everybody behind here are selling vegetables, fruits, and this is a wholesale market, so the prices are way cheaper than that in the main city.
Yeah.
I am at Walk in Hirandani Estate, which is one of the unique places here in Thane. By unique, I mean that this is an outdoor mall. There are lots and lots of food places where you can come and eat delicious food, and there's even a shopping center right over here. And this place is really nice. It's really nice to come here and chill at the evening. Also during the festive season, बहुत सारे exhibitions यहाँ पे conduct होते हैं. So you can come here and experience everything around. And it's really nice concept of this open mall, which is I don't think I've seen anywhere in Mumbai as well. Okay, so currently I am at Kolshet Creek, which is another creek area here in Thane, and this place is so beautiful. There are so many places where you can hang out and chill with your friends and all. Also, this place is very popular for Ganpati Visarjan, which is also the reason why people come here during the festive season, because Piche Creek hai and there is a Visarjan point where you can do your puja and all. They created a nice shade also for you to do the puja easily. This is the railing over here is a recent addition, which I think is very nice. You can just stand over here. I think adding a chair or a bench over here would be nice to enjoy this view while sitting on the bench and experiencing this. Variety of ice cream. I have even made a separate video and I ordered everything, that is I home delivered everything, and today I am at this store. This is located at Naupada Road and is very close to Talawpali. I have ordered some Royal Faluda and it's very refreshing to have it in this hot weather because bahar bahut garmi hai. So in Thane there are many different food spots and joints where you can go and eat delicious food. I am at the B Cabin area. This is next to the Thane station and this is a popular place for having a lot of street food. There is the momos, there is Cantonese, which is one of the popular restaurants, and there's also shawarma, there's chai and all the other snacks as well, which is available. I have a separate video of my food journey in Thane. I make sure to link that video in the description. You can check it out what all you get at this area. I'm eating shawarma, which is also a very popular dish among the locals over here in Thane. So if you are coming to Thane, do check this out. And along with street food, there's also luxury hotels and restaurants over here where you get very good variety with good ambience as well. So Thane, as I was talking about the food to eat in Thane, one of the very popular dessert places here in Thane जहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा sweet मिलता है is called as Prashant, which was established in the year 1989. So it's pretty old as well, and here the variety of desserts they offer is amazing, and I've never seen so many different varieties that they offer over here. It's a bit on the pricier end, but inka taste is very nice. So I ordered two types of sweets over here. The first one is Kalakan. This is Malai and Mango Kalakan, which is basically milk cake. And the second one I have over here is chocolate burfi, and they both look so delicious. And वो लोग वहाँ पे taste करने को भी देते हैं, which is so nice. It's very nice. So along with the sweets, यहाँ पे they have namkeen, they have this चाट आइटम्स ऑल्सो, एंड क्लीनलीनेस यहाँ पे इज़ वेरी नाइस. एंड मैं तो अभी फ़िलहाल तो खाने वाली हूँ ये बहुत सारे, एंड विल गो टू अवर नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन नेक्स्ट. Another popular spot, hangout spot in Thane. This is the lake. यहाँ पे you can do jogging also. There's a jogging track which surrounds the entire lake. Now it's currently the monsoon season, so the water is to the fullest. पानी बहुत पास है and it's kind of dangerous. So but yeah, this is the lake. There's also a Lukman fest which goes on over here. It's also very popular, and you can come here and enjoy the fest, which is an art and dance fest. So basically all performers from all over India come over here and present their dance forms, and also there's art exhibition and all. So it's really nice, and there's also boating which you could do over here. And secondly, there's also a lot of residential complexes over here. So they also have like the view of the lake, which is amazing. So yeah, this is the spot that I wanted to show you guys, and yeah, this is one lake.
city has many options for good schools and colleges from Maharashtra State Board, CBSE, ICSE boards. Hospitals in Thane are well equipped with all the modern technologies and skilled doctors and medical staff. Sanjay Gandhi National Park in Thane is a great place to bring out your adventurous self. You could go on a trek on the top of the mountain called the Tiger Point and enjoy the greenery around. The views from the top are spectacular, having the city on one side and the lush greenery on the other.
Another lakes here in Thane. Now Thane is a lake city, so I had to explore as much lakes as I can. And this is near Charai area, and this is also a park. This is a jogging park. There's also a kids park back behind, and even a little tree house as well. So it's like a very nice garden. It's very peaceful over here. Kids are playing, people are jogging, people are walking. So it's a nice area, and this is the lake view. Small little lake, but it is a lake. Okay, so currently I am at Makmali Talao here in Thane, and this is also one of the oldest places here in Thane. That behind me is a mosque which is also very old. So this is also one of the lakes in Thane out of the many lakes of Thane. Area. So this is next to the China Creek, and here also they have created like a mini Chowpatty area. This is still going to open up in the future, but you can come here and enjoy the view. The breeze is also nice, and there's a new attraction which is a on the water restaurant, which is very cool over here. It isn't started yet, but it will be soon, and it will be such a great experience to experience that in Thane. Thane and showing you around the places to see in Thane, from its different places to explore to just lakes to city roads, places to eat, and many more things that Thane has to offer. If you are thinking about choosing to stay in Thane, I hope this video helps you out. There's so many places to explore here in Thane, and I shot this video in a span of 2 different days, and still there's so many places that are yet to be covered. If you want like part 2 of this video, do mention in the comments down below. And it's raining, so I'm going to end the vlog right over here. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and